By uploading these types of videos, these channels are getting millions of views and earning thousands of dollars. If you think about starting this type of channel, where you don't need to show your face and you don't need to do voiceovers, and you want to upload a lot of videos and earn money, then you're in the right video. Today, I will teach you how to make these types of videos. You'll just add a prompt, and the video will be ready. Another prompt, another video will be ready, and so on. For generating these types of videos, we need 3 things. First, a unique video idea, lyrics for a song, and some prompts for generating videos. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to any browser and open the father of all AI tools. I mean ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, type this prompt. Give me 5 kids' music ideas. ChatGPT will give you 5 music ideas. You need to select one and copy it. After that, paste it into ChatGPT's prompt bar and type, "Write lyrics for this kid's music." You can see ChatGPT has generated lyrics for the music. But there's a problem. These lyrics include multiple headings and narrators. We need to remove these. So, type this prompt. Remove headings or narrators. After that, ChatGPT will remove all headings and narrators. Now we have lyrics, but we don't have a singer to sing these lyrics. But don't worry, I will solve this problem. Select all the lyrics and copy them. After that, go to a new tab. Search for suno.com. You'll see this interface. Here, you need to open the first link. This is the website that will sing the lyrics for us. Click on the Sign Up option at the bottom left side and create an account on this tool. After signing in, click on the Create tab. In the Lyrics tab, paste the lyrics we generated from ChatGPT. Make sure the Custom option is enabled. Then you'll see the Style of Music tab. Here we need to add the music style. But now you'll ask, we don't know about music styles? Don't worry, I'll solve this problem. Go back to ChatGPT again and open a new chat. Paste our copied lyrics. And in quotation marks, type this prompt. Write a style for these lyrics. ChatGPT will give you multiple styles. Select one that fits your needs and copy it. Then paste it into the Style of Music tab. If you want, you can add a name for this project, but I'll skip the name for now. Finally, click on the Create button. This tool will start creating music for you. It will generate 2 music tracks. After generation, play both tracks and choose the better one. After that, click here, go to the download option, and choose audio. That's it. Your music is ready. Now we need to generate videos like this one. For creating this type of video, we'll again go to ChatGPT, but this time we'll edit our previous prompt. Type, write video generating prompts for each lyric. ChatGPT will generate prompts like this. After that, open a new tab and search for hyper.ai. Open the first link. You'll see this interface. Here, we need to create an account. The login and sign up process is easy. You can do it yourself. After that, click on Text to Video, and then we need to add the prompts we generated from ChatGPT. Copy the first prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Here, I select the video ratio by clicking on this icon. After that, click on the Create button. After some time, this tool will generate videos according to our prompt. If we talk about the tool's premium plan, it has multiple plans that you can easily afford. To view the premium plans, just go to the Membership tab. Here, you can see all the plans. Now you can see the video is successfully generated. I will generate all videos using this method. After generating all videos, we need a video editor. I will use CapCut. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Once CapCut is open, import all the files and music that were generated from the AI tools. Drag and drop the music onto the timeline. Then, one by one, drag and drop the videos onto the timeline. Sync these videos according to the lyrics. Then add the transitions after all video clips. After that, select all the video clips and press Alt+G to create a compound clip. Once the clips are converted into a compound clip, go to the editing panel. Increase the scale of the video because the video has a watermark on the top right side. When you increase the scale, the watermark will be gone. After that, the video is ready to upload to your YouTube channel. You can see the final results. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and follow for daily tips.